Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's November and guess what? It is a November unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my November box, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay. This is the icon box. I'm trying to make sure my address is not showing on here. So this is the box. She looks like so. This is like huge. So we're gonna just go through the product real quick. So my first product, so actually is the icon box. Who is she anyways? I don't even know. Lisa Vanderpump. Yep. So our first product, this is actually a bag, I guess, from that Ipsy. If you have the Ipsy line, then you have just a little makeup bag. This is cute. Our other product is from Dermalec Cosmeceuticals, and it's a rapid repair daily amino gel cleanser. So it's just a cleanser. Can really test this out. Then we're gonna jump into our other product. It is Volcanic Skin Reset Mask, and it's from Cars Beauty or Cosmetics. And it looks like so. Then our next item is from Glow Recipe, and it is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. Looks like so. This is from LYS, and it is a moisture matte lipstick, and this is in shade Sincere. Dude, I like this. I like their products, but one thing I can tell you I don't like is their packaging. It's like everything is so difficult to get in. Oh, this is cute and nice and slick. And this is the shade. This is very pretty. We will be, oops, let's not make a mess. We'll be using this today. Our other product is from Laura Mercier, and it is a eyeliner. And this is in shade Dark Plum. This looks almost black. I don't see plum. I do not see plum, but we'll go with that. Now we're jumping into our other products, and this is from Angel Face, or no, TYS Beauty, and it's the Halo Setting Powder. I don't know, man, this looks a little dark, but we'll make it work. What shade is this? I don't know. It doesn't really say what shade. We will see. And then last but not least, this is from Makiage, and it is the High Point Bronzer Blush and Highlighter Trio. So we have no eyeshadow palettes, but that's okay, we can make that work. So palette looks like so. So this is the blush. No, this is the blush, bronzer, and then the highlighters are over top. So we have no palette, but I feel like I'm gonna make a look out of this. So first we're gonna go in with the bronzer. We're gonna go in with the bronzer. I wonder if there was just one shade, because I don't know, man, if this is gonna bronze me. So this is a T4 for Makeup Shack. I don't know, this looks much darker in the pan than it is on my lid, but it's okay. And then this is L16, and then this is from LA Los Angeles brand. I'm just gonna tap it here. I feel like this is look is becoming very softy, but it's fine. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this powder from is the TYS, and then this is, so it was two different companies. This is TYS, and I guess this is LYS. Yep, TYS. To set the rest of my face. Let's see how dark this is gonna look. And then this is I like this. This reminds me of the Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. I like this a lot, and that's one of my favorite powders. So if I'm saying I like it, I like it a lot. Okay, now to bronze the face, I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette. This I also got in my Boxycharm. It is the Makiage High Point Bronzer and Blush Highlighter palette, and this one is the dark. I don't know. I'm confused because I don't know. So this is the bronzer, it looks really dark in the pan, but guys, it does not look dark in person, so we will see. I mean, is it bronzing me? For sure, like, but I don't know how this is dark. These palettes, I mean, it works, right? My only issue is that, like, look at all this space and it's just like 4 shades in here. Like, I thought it was gonna be like multiple blushes, multiple bronzing shades. Nope. Like the bare minimum. And for blush, we're gonna go ahead and use this shade, which is Wink. Oh, and the bronzer was, I guess, Ring Up. Nope. The bronzer was Mystery or Majesty. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use, I'm just gonna mix these 2 shades. This is cute. I don't like how much like space it has, and then there's nothing in there really, so I'm like, nope. Too much wasted space. Okay, to line my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So this is actually from Makeup Forever. I have this liner, but I just have it in the regular lip liner. So this one is the Extreme, and it's Limitless Brown. And over top, I'm gonna put the LYS in lipstick in shade Sincere. I really like this combo. Oh, and there's one thing I'm gonna use. I also got in my Boxycharm. It's the Laura Mercier eye pencil in shade Dark Plum. Okay, so let's go through my icon box for November. So I got 7, I think 8 products. The Ipsy bag, which is my first product, is $18. And then I think I can find the prices like on here. Our second product is actually from Dermalec, and this is the Rapid Amino Gel Cleanser, and that is $38. The next product is from El Makiage, which is the highlighter, blush, bronzer palette. It was a decent palette. I don't know if I paid $72 for it though, but it was okay. I actually use it for my eyeshadow as well, so that's $72. Our fourth product is from Laura Mercier. It was the eyeliner, and that was really good. I used it in my waterline and in my lash line, so that's $29. My fourth product, which is from it's from Glow Recipe, is the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, and that is $38. We're gonna jump right through. There was a setting powder in here from TYS. It was actually really good. It is the Angel Face setting powder, and that was $26. And we also had a lipstick from LYS, and that is, it said a Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. This is a lifesaver for creating a fresh, rosy lip anytime, and this was $20. So, okay, I'm missing something. Oh, that Cause, from Cause Beauty, there's a cleanser. So that it's the Santorini Grape Volcanic Skin Reset Mask, and that's $39. So my total box is $280. I think I paid $60 plus tax. Actually, those pretty decent products. I had quite a few makeup products in there, and I have skincare products that I actually use and will use again, or will use because I like the brands, because I like Cause and I like Glow Recipe. Those are also, you know, really, really good brands. So I will definitely be using those brands again. So that's it, guys, for my Boxycharm November icon unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. 전화기는 건너 세상의 숨 속에 넌 지쳐가